Embark on the rewarding DIY project of building your own raised garden bed, customized to your space and gardening needs. Start by planning and measuring, determining the desired size and shape of your garden. You'll need untreated lumber, cedar or composite lumber for the frame, along with galvanized screws or exterior-grade fasteners, a level, measuring tape, saw, drill, landscape fabric or cardboard, soil mix, compost, a shovel, and a rake. Once measured, cut the lumber to the desired lengths for the sides of your garden bed. Lay out the cut lumber in the desired shape, ensuring the corners are square and level. Pre-drill pilot holes and attach the corners of the frame. Next, line the bottom of the bed with landscape fabric or cardboard for proper drainage. Fill the bed with a high-quality soil mix, mixing in compost for added fertility. Use a shovel and rake to evenly distribute the soil mix within the bed. To enhance stability, drive rebar or stakes into the ground at the corners and secure the frame to the stakes. And there you have it, a sturdy, well-draining raised garden bed that provides an ideal growing environment for your plants. Now, the fun part begins, planting your garden.